Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Fakihatuddinnya. Here I want to present my mini research. The title is Teaching Reading Comprehension by Using Short Story. The first content is introduction, and the second, research method, and then procedure, finding and discussion, and the last is conclusion. Introduction. English is a foreign language that is learned by the student from school to the university levels in Indonesia. It is one of subjects included in the national curriculum. Reading is defined as the process of looking for a series of written symbols and getting meaning from them. Reading is a skill which we try to get information from printed or written materials. In teaching reading can be done through some ways or technique to create a good atmosphere and interesting during the learning process. One of them is by implementing English short story. A short story is a piece of pure fiction that typically can be read in one sitting and focuses on a self-contained incident or series of linked incidents with the intent of evoking a single effect or mood. The problem is how is teaching reading comprehension by using short story, and the objective is to describe the use of short story in reading comprehension. The research method. The design of this research is descriptive, qualitative research about the use of short story as material in reading comprehension, and the population of this study was the total number student of grade 10 of IPA 2 at M. Al-Karimi that consists of 24 students, and for the sample, the researcher took 5 students. And the instrument of this research is using observation in teaching reading. The procedure. In the opening activity, the teacher greets the student use English language. The teacher asks the student to introduce themselves. The teacher explains the agenda. And in the main activity, the teacher explains the material about short story, preparation before doing tasks by searching the meaning of vocabulary building, do tasks about short story entitled The Tiger and the Squirrel, reading section, discuss their answer. And in the closing activity, the teacher and the student conclude the material and close the lesson. The observation show that in the opening activity, student was enthusiastic, greeted the teacher, and introduced themselves. In the main activity, while the teacher was explaining, they paid attention and they didn't ask anything about the material. When discussing with their friend, they were enthusiastic and mutually correct their answer to each other. And the closing activity, the student can conclude the material well. Discussion. In this research, the class went well and effective. The student paid attention in teacher's explanation. The students studied reading short stories, discussed and corrected their tasks with their friend. So the student can enjoy and have fun in learning process. And by using short story, the student knowledge can increase better because they get new vocabularies that they had not heard or they forget because they didn't memorize it again, and they can learn simple past tense again and implement it in analyzing short story. Short story is considered as good material that can be used for English teaching. The study showed that short story can improve student comprehend in reading English. Short story can make students interested to read the text because they can imagine the story while learning reading, and they were enthusiastic when they discussed with their friend, which can help the student in learning process. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.